Steams Online offers you two ways to get your leads inside your system. The first one is manually, and the second one is through our Steams Online Leads widget. You can use both of them according to your specific needs. Let's begin. To enter your leads manually inside Steams Online platform, the first thing you want to do is click on the leads icon. This will take you to the leads page. In here, what you want to do next is click on the Add Leads button in the right side of your screen. Now, we're going to start completing the leads information. In here, you'll register information such as first name, last name, email address, among other. Once you finish doing this process, your lead will be registered inside your leads list. Then you can proceed by following up this person. For this example, I'm going to start by adding the basic information. So we're going to start by adding the first name, then the last name, and the email. Once you start adding all the information and you're done, what you're going to do now is click on the green up button. The more information you have in this system, the better. However, if you don't have it right away, feel free to come back and add it later. You can always create updates. So let's click on the Add button. The system will tell you that the information was updated. But as we see, the current status of this lead is unassigned, which basically means you cannot perform any follow-up action. If you want to change this, what you want to do next is click on the List Leads. Now, as you can see, Cat is right here on this table. To change her status, what we're going to do next is click on Action and select Take Now if you want to take this lead by yourself or assign to another colleague. Let's choose Take Now. Her status has turned into In Progress. Now, you'll be able to perform different actions such as call, email, won, lost, and beyond. The other alternative for you to get your leads inside your Steams Online platform is through a Leads widget. By installing this inside your website through an HTML code or a link, people will be able to put their information and convert as leads. You won't have to enter anything manually, but just focus on the following up. To know more about this process and our Leads widget, feel free to watch our Lead widget video. It is also important for you to know that whenever a person is inside your website and registers to a service that you offer, but for some reason does not complete the process, the Steams Online platform will convert this info into a lead. So you can start following this person that perhaps was interested on what you offer. Hope this tutorial was useful for you and thank you for watching.